I intend to introduce you to the best plugin you can deploy to make or to give your podcast the best audio treatment that is obtainable. Even if you don't have access to the best microphone that is available currently in the market, you can still get a good sound. And if this is your first time of hearing about the FL Studio, please don't let the user interface get you overwhelmed. I will also advise you to check out my previous post where I walked us through the process of setting up the FL Studio for the first. So if you are still on this video, let me assume you are well familiar with the user interface of the FL Studio. Immediately after you are done recording your vocals, you introduce a plugin called Denoiser. So what the Denoiser plugin does is it removes all the background noise and any form of unwanted noise in your vocals. Next, you had a plugin called T-De-Esser. This T-De-Esser is a plugin that is used to remove the X or the S sound. Immediately after you are done with that, you move to my favorite plugin of them all, which is the Fab filter. The Fab filter gives us the opportunity to boost our bass frequency and also gives us the opportunity to shape our vocals so much that the sound output will be better than when you recorded it on in a raw format. Finally, you had the plugin called Maximus. The Maximus plugin helps us to compress and join all our sounds together. And there you go. Those are all the plugins that you need to make your podcast vocals sound good and sound professional. And if by chance you find it difficult to install the FL Studio plugin, I will advise you to subscribe and turn on your notification button so that you can be notified when I drop the guide on how to install the FL Studio plugins. Furthermore, you don't have to actually invest in expensive microphones before you can get the best audio quality, provided you have the FL Studio. The FL Studio can give you that flexibility of giving your podcast or your sound vocals, even your vocals for music, and give you the necessary and the worldwide standard, the professional standard audio treatment. And if at any point you find it difficult to treat your audio by yourself, feel free to send me an email, contact1503@gmail.com. I can help you with your audio treatment. Good luck. I can't wait to hear from you.